Hi everyone, this is Timothy Mitchell. It is day three at the ISA Sign Expo 2023. I am here with General Formulations and Jay Kroll. Jay, tell me about the new MetroMark 209 film.
Yeah, so MetroMark has been a legacy film for us in the transit market. We've just come out with an egress version, easier install, lower initial tack, easier removals as well.
Okay.
It's great for obviously the transit market that it's designed for, with changeable bus graphics, train graphics, things like that, but also applications into windows, walls, and beyond.
Okay, so I do a lot of printing where I just need it to go on easy because I don't want to laminate. You know, it's a short-term application or indoor. I'm going to cut it, and then I need it to go on and come off without a lot of fuss. And by the way, I can't install like I'm incompetent. So the heavier and thicker the material, the easier it is for me. Would this be a good product for me?
So MetroMark is a 3.5 mil full opaque, and this is white both sides, 99.8% opaque. Blocks out whatever's underneath it. Very easy to install with the tack of the adhesive and with those egress channels.
Okay, fantastic. And then the idea is it's easy to remove as well when you're done.
Extremely easy to remove.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then name of the product again, so I can make sure we reinforce it.
Yeah, the name of the product 209 AE. This is our MetroMark with egress.
Okay. The AE is the egress.
AE is the egress.
That's clever. Your marketing people are keeping it easy for me.
Keep it simple.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. General Formulations, my friend Jay. Definitely check out the product, and you can purchase all the General Formulations product at LexMark.
LexJet.com.
You know, oh my goodness. And you can purchase. And you can purchase all of the products at LexJet. LexJet. Do we need to, what do you think, do we need to just do any piece of that last bit left?
Go back.
Yeah.
The name.
Thank you.
Rename the product.
Yeah. Okay.
So Jay, just to recap, give the name of the product again so everyone can remember it. It's the 209.
Yeah, 209 AE MetroMark with egress, available in 54-inch, 150 and 300-foot long rolls, standard, available as customs and others.
And all of that is available if you go to LexJet, because LexJet and General Formulations are old and familiar partners.
Very much.